Okay. Okay. So to most people, Texas conservation of our wildlife and fisheries isn't a big issue, and this is expected and obvious when it comes to people that didn't grow up with a background or aren't into hunting or fishing or hiking or anything of that sort. This is also something that happens with people that are big in things like that, and they're big in hunting and fishing or hiking, but they don't feel like they have the responsibility or the need to work to preserve these for their use later in life and for future generations. So, given there are many people that are willing to do the task and like willing to step up and do what is necessary to preserve our environment for the future uses, there's only few that actually do take on the task. And in this case, they usually form organizations that have to do with hunting or fishing, or a lot of times both. So, conservation of the Texas wildlife and fisheries is essential whenever it comes to preserving our wildlife and fisheries and our natural resources for our future generations to use and to enjoy as well as us during our time. And this is something that's often overlooked. So this is a big task for individuals to take on, and so it's usually split up into organizations taking this on, and they will form up and take a bunch of individuals that are like-minded in their issues, and they'll group up and decide and form something like the Coastal Conservation Association. And so they'll form up and they'll take this up because they can distribute the workload between themselves or between other organizations. So to really appreciate the work and sacrifice that these organizations have given up and are doing, you have to understand what they've done to ensure that our future will look bright whenever it comes to the outdoors and our wildlife and fisheries and such. One of the most prominent activities in the Texas outdoors is actually fishing.